everyone! Welcome back to me making a game. Boop. So, how is we all doing today? Well, I should be looking into the camera for this. Hi everyone, miss me? I did. So yeah, today naturally we're going to be continuing working on this game I make. We may end up having another maths lecture, but you never know. How's everyone been doing today? You know what? We can just go to this. There we go. Oh, I'm just going to recenter my camera a bit. There we go. Now it feels like I'm looking at my code when I'm looking at it. Whoa, look at that. And oh, it works so when I'm looking down towards chat, and yeah, of course. I mean, I know what I'm looking at. You just need to this. Here's what we're working on. Now it's right back to dem matrices. Okay, cool. Got some numbers to put in. 7709.807808 and 1570.577, and then it's going to be wide gravel, and it's going to be 50 starting at negative 250. Now's the part. Oh, we have found out that it works. God, I think I need to clean my mouse. I'll just get a proper mouse mat. Yeah, okay, sorry. So this is what we have at the start. It goes down to here. Still got to go down and around and under here. You know what, I just remembered I need to add a ceiling check. So we have a floor check where you won't fall through the floor, but we also need a ceiling check so that if you're underneath the floor and you jump, you'll hit the floor or you'll hit the ceiling and it won't let you continue going up. Skylar, hello, welcome to today's stream. It's pretty much the same as yesterday, but better. Why is it better? Because I've decided it's going to be better. You like my shirt today? Thank you. I was going to say I made it myself, but that would be a lie. It was one of the few outfits I use, which is one of the default things from my... I'm rambling. Thank you. Thank you is what I'm trying to say. So right now I need to add the ceiling check, which uses pretty much the same logic as the floor check, but we just change it. You worked on the UI for your game. Very nice. And do I still have the UIs from... I do. Oh god, that one did not compress well. Yeah, UI design can be fun, or not fun depending on how you're doing it. So I sort of went into mine with a lot of inspiration, so... Yeah, please tell me more about your game. You've mentioned it a lot, but I don't think I really know much about it. I cannot spell. I level, there we go. Plus 75. And if it's above... There we go, that should cover pretty much the entire... So your game is an ambient horror game building its tension pretty much entirely with environmental storytelling rather than jump scaring. Now that is the sort of horror game I like. Honestly, I've played my fair share of jump scary games and of ambient ones, and the ones where it's just sort of environmental stuff is always better. Although I will admit, I imagine it must be a lot harder to master. And how do I set this to jumping? How do I set it so the player starts falling instead of jumping? It should be in draw game. If jumping equals false. Okay, yeah, I just make it so jumping equals false. Jump scares are lazy writing. Doesn't build up terror, instead makes consider an unhealthy state of panic. Exactly. Yeah, I'd rather be scared of what's actually happening than be scared of the idea of a single like split-second thing that may happen at some point, and it's going to be very predictable when it does. I think that's why I got bored with the Five Nights at Freddy's games, which I played a couple weeks ago. Like, they weren't really scary, there was just kind of the same boredom waiting for the same jump scare that you knew was going to happen eventually. Like, it felt kind of scary, but not because of the atmosphere, just because of the waiting. Now let's test if jumping works. No, it does not. Oh well, jumping does work, but stopping jumping doesn't. Hang on, just as a test, if I were to make it so the player spawns further up in the world. Oh wait, what's 175 plus 75? 250, okay, so that's in the correct place. Oh, hold on, it doesn't check. Okay, yeah, that's my bad. Draw, game, if jumping, Player dot ceiling check. There we go. Now it should actually check if you're going to hit a ceiling. Okay, that's not very pleasant. Okay, maybe I should raise that up by just a little bit so I can actually see if it works better. Because right now it's just stopping your jump before it even happens, and that's not what we want. You get to go up to 270. There you go, now you actually bash your head and you don't clip through things. Very much a fan of making sure you can't clip through things. Which is why we have the most hellish check I've ever made. Because you have to check if when you're walking you won't walk through something, and you have to check where you won't be inside it when you're walking, or once you finish walking, and then you have to also do an extra check for that. I'm rambling. We're making walls today, we're not explaining code, unless people want me to explain code. Next floor. Oh my god, how did that slip past me? That's not good. What do I want to do here? Just increase that on the, what's it called? No, increase it on the X, decrease it on the Z. Okay. Oh, it did not like that. Oh, no, it didn't like this. Well, you get fixed. Now it works. Nice. Okay. Next up is, as I was doing before, a new floor, slightly further down. On the X it's going to be not much width, let's say 750, and that's 1800, then maybe 1500, and X position of no, not 8250 plus a little extra 8500, and Y of negative 300. And Z of no rotation, I think, again. Texture. And squirrels. Boop, 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 bloop. And we can put this wall in fairly easily, because a linear game with progression locked behind puzzles. Go exploring in the current area. Interact with the environment, storytelling. That sounds wonderful. I hope I'll get to play it at some point. Will be bigger puzzles which use a wire system and switches, and there'll be smaller puzzles such as finding key or valve. Ooh. I think I'm understanding where that's going. That still sounds like a really cool puzzles. My hair's a mess. Ow, ow, ow. Ah, fuck, that's not hard to fix that. Where's this thing's base? Negative 300. Ooh, that's in just everything wrong. Yeah, I just read the wrong values there because I'm an idiot. Plus and this one plus y00 3500. Nice, that should be correct. And then this okay, and that should be the perfect position for that. Closer. Literally just move it up. Wait, that one's... No, that is just that still. Okay, maybe another 50 should do it, and it's not anywhere near on that side, is it? Hope not. No, it isn't. Next one is actually going to be a wider one because it's going to be the one. It's going to have a thing in the middle that's going to teach players how to jump. It's going to be like a log across the path. Then you'll have to press the button to jump over it. Width one is going to be maybe like 2000. width 2 will be 500. And the X. The X here is maybe do the same again. It should be. Wait, no, hold on. 8,425 plus. Okay. 9,750. Then Z is Z's. What would the Z be? 2500 again. And we're going to have this slightly rotated the other way, so negative 30 on the rotation. It should be able to do that. Texture, gravelled, and squiggles, boop. Oh, and a comma. Can't forget the comma. You have a one slot inventory system working too. That's also really cool. What the fuck? This is in the wrong place. Sorry, yeah. That is really cool. I do like a good working inventory system. Okay, maybe 30 was... no, 30 wasn't too much. We just need to move it down on the Z-axis. Oh, even further down. Let's just round that down to a nice 2,000. Yeah, is this good? Yes, it is. Oh god, that's not right though. Let's just extend this thing's width 1. God, it would help if I could spell boundary. X1 of 8,750. 2,500 plus 750. 3,250. White gravel, 50. Also, I need to figure out where. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one, negative 350. It needs to be slightly dragged further down because it's going to be going over an area where there's a down. How the fuck have I made a mistake there? What have I done wrong? Oh, I see what I've done wrong. I've just done maths wrong. That should be 800. Both measurements for this need to be increased. Oh, that's backwards. Is it good now? It is good now. No seams. I'm just going to write a quick script so I can get it to tell me where the player is when I press a certain button. So controls. WX 88. There you go. Now I can just easily test, get points where I want things. Say I wanted the end of the wall to go here, I can just go boom. That's the wrong button. Okay, 9718, 980. X2, and it's going to be going back up to this one here, so that's 8800, 1800. That doesn't seem quite right. Maybe it is, I'm not sure. Height of... and you get a comma. Oh, that was all right. Living life to the first. You have a blowhigh on top of you? You are a very lucky person. I sadly have no such shark. What am I doing? I forgot what I'm doing. I'm making a game, how can I forget that? And now, gravity, fix yourself. I have too much fun with this. Oh yeah, log across here. Time to get a what's it called? Textures for that, yes. Do I know how long I want my game to be? I'm not really sure. I haven't... I mean, I want it... I'm going to say ideally, I want it to be like a massive open world RPG, but it's probably going to be like a 10-20 minute dungeon and a small town. Because I do have less than a month to finish it, I believe. Hang on, I just got to check when the end date for this is. The finished project. It's quite a limiting factor. Yes, it is. Oh no, I have 2 months. The final submission is the 16th of December. 50 days. Whew. Maybe I have enough time to actually make something decent. Anyway, right, yeah, I'm getting a picture of a tree trunk and then a picture of the inside of a tree. I'll just copy that. Height. Oh wait, no, I need this to be width, so I'm once again using a paint application that I hadn't considered for this. I hadn't considered the fact that I'd be using this. Today, so it's not ready. You want yours to be around 9 hours long in total? That seems like a nice length for a game. $90 minutes per chapter, 5 chapters. Times 90 minutes. Prologue and epilogue. 2 endings. Ooh. That'll be the ideal length. Yep. Well, it sounds like a good length to me. No. Each chapter will have its own unique mechanics too. Also a great thing for games to do. just need the inside of a log. This one should be good. Already coded chapter 1 and chapter 3's mechanics. Seems like you've missed one there. You got a... Or have you just not come up with a mechanic idea for chapter 2? Making them in order of complexity. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I think my music has stopped working. Yeah, it has. Now I've just got to import these textures. White gravel. No, I didn't say break, I said bark. No, not get... VS Code, please don't autocorrect things like that. Sometimes. It's just unnecessary. Now let... trunk. Okay. That says 10,000, 2,500, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot the numbers already. 10,000, 2,500. So we want the x-axis to stay the same, but the z to be maybe... z to be 1110. Texture of bark, height of, has to be like 200 I think. Crap, I don't remember the max height, I think it's 150. Base of negative 350. Yep. There we go. That is one bit of a log, just got to make sure it's actually correct. Oh no, a log is blocking. Okay, you can just walk past it. Okay, cool. That's good. Apart from the fact that you can walk past it right there. So what do? We just sort of move the whole thing over. Or, no. You just make it go closer to the wall. New boundary, Z of 10150. Oh no, that's way too big. And 101212 and Bart. New boundary. X1. New boundary 10123 Z1 and 123 and 150. Oh, chapter 1's rising blocks, chapter 3 is darkness, chapter 5 will be electricity, and chapter 4 heat and cold, chapter 2 spikes. Need to learn how to 3D model. Okay, that's fair, that's fair. Those sound like interesting mechanics. Okay, now we just actually need the top of this log. Width 1 is 150, width 2 is 1500, X is going to be in the middle of those, so it will be 10075, and Y of negative 200, Z of 1750, rotation of 0, texture of bark, and squiggles for the catch zone, and a comma at the end so it knows how to end that. Very excited to be done with the mechanic building and making the actual map. Well, I wish you all the best luck in making the map, because that's usually becomes my least part of making things. And now my game has fucking Minecraft log. Okay, I might need to scale down that texture a bit. Or desaturated as well, probably. Yeah, I feel like making this a bit greyer would also be useful. Bloop. No, that's too grey. I want to see what jumping over this is like at a normal walking speed. I believe this just needs to be 8. Oh god, oh my god, hang on. I've been travelling at 6 times normal walking speed all during this testing and it feels so slow now. Am I sure 8 was the right speed? Oh yikes, that texture has not been treated well. Oh, because it's been squashed in the wrong direction. Hold on. I need to rotate this 90 degrees. Oh, I didn't tab out properly when I did that. Anyway, thankfully I can go slightly quicker by walking at a diagonal due to a bug that I'm leaving in for comedic purposes. Well, not comedic, just references to old games where you could walk faster by strafing. There we go, that looks like a more normal bark texture. And that looks far more lovely and compressed. Well, I wonder, since we know the dimensions this is going to end up as, we could absolutely just change this, so height needs to be 150, which makes its width need to be, what was the width needing to be? 1500, I believe? So we make it 750 just for the sake of it not looking stupid. So I'm just trying to make this texture look like it's not repeating the same thing over and over by making it repeat the same thing over and over, but like shifted with an offset. Shifted with an offset. It has an offset. Because once I noticed that there was a face at the part where it was repeating, I just couldn't let it slide, and it was stuck in my face. Stuck in my brain. There we go. Now I think that looks a bit more random. And nice. Now painfully crawl back over to it. There we go. I love my Minecraft log. Anyway, that is the first bit done. Hang on, can we still fit through here? Yes, you can. I am an idiot. What do? We just extend this wall instead. Where is it? It will be this one, I believe. So on the x-axis, we just make it go up to. And I'm putting my speed back up to 50. Hang on, what if I just put it up to 80? Less keystrokes and more speed. Harder to control as well. You know what, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do the ceilings because I kind of neglected them. And first up is making this better. So on that x-axis we need to move it over maybe an amount, which is that would be adding 375 to this. So it's 875 and 5 in total. Oh, I've done some maths wrong. Five 750. So if I were to add 250 to that, I would need to add double that to the width. Hang on, 600. I've added 250 that, so I need to add double that to the width, making it 2000 total. However, we need to move it over more, so another 100, and then 200 on here. So, very close. There we go, it's finally over. Oh, I love the fact that I've actually made it go far enough that you can actually walk under the top ones now, but there's still a little more depth I'd like to add so you don't suddenly feel cramped, although I would like to make it feel cramped at some point. And oh, I've already been going for an hour. That is impressive, I think. Okay, so right here it just starts getting shorter, and I like that. Well, there is just one issue. I have absolutely no idea what the fuck the angle between these two is. I have to find that there. Which just means I find... hang on. We take that as the hypotenuse. Hang on, wait, no, that's... oh no, we take that, so... the hypotenuse is that way. How would I find that hypotenuse? Hang on, we have the distance between them on the x-axis and the distance between them on the z-axis, so we have the opposite and the adjacent. We just do arctan of their x distance over their z distance, and that finds the angle at which the wall that's going to be placed on top of them needs to be placed at, so as to not clip through anything unfortunate. Unless, hang on, we could just make it round up a bit. Okay, let's figure it out. I mean, it would be this wall and that wall. Yeah, is that what I was working out? Yes, it was. Because this one also goes down. The fuck? Hang on, does that one go down to 300? Oh no, these ones, of course, I'm getting confused. Wait, no, I'm not getting confused, because there's... oh no, that one's a different one, starting in a different place. Okay, I am getting confused. So their x distance is... hang on, 8800 minus... oh, that's easy, that's 500. Okay, tan minus 1 of 500 over 1800. Over what? Hang on. 3200 minus 1800. That is... oh, for God's sake, I'm in radians. That is 19 degrees, which we can round up to 20. Yeah, sure, 20 works. Okay. $20 means that I don't know, maybe 10k I think will be a reasonable place to put. No, not 10k. 9500. Wait, that's not even what we're doing. We're assigning it a width of 2000. 2000, that's 0, that's not 0 I meant, x of 9500, that won't be enough, unless it will maybe. I'm really bad at telling these things, I can't do these calculations and visualizations in my head. The y is going to be whatever negative 350 plus 700 is. 350. And a z of maybe ish 2250 maybe. 20 stone, squiggle, squiggle. Now let's see if that's any good. No, it's not. Increase its width 1 significantly, I say, and its width 2 maybe? Yes, increase both its widths by a large amount. Let's say make them up to 3,000. Ouch. Alright, I'm checking this. Does it look good? Kinda. Okay, one more. I think we'll just have one more going across here somewhere at about the middle value, make it seem a smooth transition down. Yeah, right, one in the middle here. Let's just take a middle value here. $7,000, 2,100. Maybe 400 height, and Z, oh I forgot what we said for Z, 2,150, and then rotation of 45, texture of stone, and no, that, there we go. Well, there's a little bit of a gap there. We just increase, actually if we just like rotate it less, that should be good. Rotate it. Hang on, wait. I've got to realign myself with the axes. Okay, this. Yeah, I reckon it could afford slightly less rotation there. Let's just bump it down to 10. That's, I think, as much as I'm going to risk going. Actually, no. I want 25, maybe. Shit, I've got wildly confused. Okay, it's on that screen. Okay, that's good. That's not good. I will not be adding any like fidelity layer in there. Just got to maybe increase this one on its width too. by a lot. Oh god, control save, not shift S. I guess just a little bit more just to make sure. Hang on, wait, what am I even checking for anymore? Okay, yeah, just a little bit more, maybe another 100. Okay, now we add the bits that stop you from seeing through the map. Ooh. And you know what? Where's my drink gone? Where has my drink gone? It's over there. Okay, I am just going to take a short break because I've been going for an hour and I need a drink and maybe something to eat, so plop, plop. See you in a minute. I'll leave you with the music, I guess. Guess who's back? That's right, it's me. Probably won't be able to go much longer, but I'll probably just put in those two little joining walls and then we'll be done. For this evening, and if Jax is still alive, we'll raid him. Okay, it's time to do maths. And we need this one here. Matrix, okay, so 2 by 1, it is at 9500, 2250. No, that's an extra 2250. And then B, negative 1250, negative 900. I've been reading the wrong thing. The fuck was I just reading? Oh, I know what I was reading, okay. And negative 1500. And then its rotation was 20 degrees, so and now A plus CB. Okay, we have position 1. Point 491. 327.431. Now we just adjust that, I believe. Yep, that adds up. 7577.431. Texture of stone. Well, I've not seen the stone texture squashed yet, I don't think. Height of... what is the height for this one? Difference between 350 and 400. It's 50 and it starts at 350. Now let's see if that's correct. Ooh. Yes, it is. It's hard to tell because it's all squashed, but that is in the correct place. Now one more for this. Just gonna put my mouse cursor here so I know what I'm looking at. $7,000, $20,150. And got a rotation of 25, so it's cos 25, sin Okay, that's not the correct thing. Yep, 6516.310. We can just round that to 0.31 and 821.074. Then the other matrix. Five, six, seven, 1.074. Yeah, 69. Comedy. That's funny. Apparently. Height for this one is actually slightly taller, I think. It's 100 and it starts at 400. There it is. That's working. We now have slightly more corridor. I believe at the start of the stream we were here, and now we're all the way down there, and we have ceilings in place. This is going to be a very slow very slow journey. Anyway, I'm gonna just finish up here for the night. So, thank you. I'm looking the wrong way. Thank you for coming. Please follow if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Go join the Discord for all sorts of community stuff. We do have a chat command if you want to get the link for it. That will be all, I think. So remember, I love you all very, very much. And I will see you next time. Bye! Actually, it's not going to be a long bye, really, because I am just going to go raid over to our good friend, It's Jax, damn it. I always forget how to raid, hang on. Bye, everyone. And here we go. Okay, bye. I'm going to stop the stream now.